The future of car travel? A driverless electric car concept is capable of hoovering up pollution left by other vehicles as it drives along, leaving clean air in its wake, its designers claim. The Airo is being designed by British Heatherwick Studio for the Chinese green vehicle firm HEPA Motors, and could go into production as soon as 2023. It features a dining room style space inside the cabin that can be turned into a double bed, allowing passengers to continue to slumber during a commute to work. The vehicle will run on electric power, producing no fossil fuel pollutants as it moves around the city. But the car goes further in its environmental ambition. Heatherwick confirmed it would be equipped with a state-of-the-art HEPA filtering system attached to the undercarriage that can clean up pollution particles. The HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air, filter, will be stuck to the bottom of the vehicle and, through a mesh system, will trap harmful particles. Inside, the car has a customizable interior that can be configured into multiple functional spaces, including a moving room or space for your life, the firm said. The seats rotate from a traditional forward-facing driving position to face each other for social activities, such as dining on the four-leaf table, which neatly folds away to transform the space into a lounge. A fold-away screen turns the interior into a gaming pod. And when you've exhausted yourself, the beautifully contoured seats fully recline to form a spacious double bed. Using the latest technology in glass, the fully glazed roof becomes opaque on command for total privacy.